In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Wise multi-currency account in 2025. If you're ready to dive in, don't forget to check the link in the description. It might include a special sign-up offer just for you. Now, let's get started. First, make your way to the Wise website. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page. You should see a green sign-up button. Give that a click to begin the process of creating your account. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a secure password. It's crucial to pick a password that's not only unique, but also strong to ensure your account remains safe. If you find it more convenient, you can also sign up using your existing Google or Apple account. It's all about what works best for you. After that, you'll need to decide whether you're opening a personal or business account. For most people, selecting a personal account will suffice, especially if you're aiming for simplicity in managing your finances. Now, fill in the necessary details, including your full name, country of residence, and phone number. Using the correct phone number here is crucial because you'll be receiving a text message for verification shortly. This step is vital to ensure your account security and to establish your identity. Once those details are sorted, it's time to verify your identity. You'll need to upload a valid government ID. In some instances, Wise might also ask you to submit a selfie or a short video. It might seem like a bit of extra work, but this process is really important to ensure the security and compliance of your account. Verification is usually a quick process, though times can vary. Keep an eye on your email for a notification. Once you receive confirmation, your multi-currency account will be fully operational. You're now able to hold, send, and convert money across multiple currencies without the hassle of multiple bank accounts. One of the standout features of Wise is that it provides you with local bank details in several currencies. This means that receiving payments can be as straightforward as if you had a local account in various countries. It's an exceptional service for anyone looking to manage their money globally without the usual complications. And there you have it. Now you know how to open a Wise multi-currency account in 2025. Remember, the sign-up